Well, hello, Gilmore Fine Arts students and families. This is Principal Zach Jacobsmeyer, and I'm coming at you with video updates. The update will share with you some information for the upcoming week here at Gilmore Fine Arts. It's hard to believe it, but the upcoming week is actually the first week of October. There isn't a lot going on next week, but definitely a couple things that I do want to draw your attention to. So, really, the week mostly affects from a happening standpoint, affects fourth grade. So on Tuesday, October 2nd, from 11:45 to 2:15, fourth graders in Miss Chappelle's class as well as Mrs. Growles' class will be taking the watershed field trip to the Root River, to the watershed. Again, that's Mrs. Growles' class and Miss Chappelle's class. You will be taking a field trip on Tuesday the 2nd from 11:45 to 2:15. On Friday the 5th, students in Mrs. Alabi's classroom, one of our other fourth grade classrooms, will be taking their field trip to the watershed as well. Again, that field trip is 11:45 to 2:15. So, Mrs. Alabi's class, you are on Friday, October 5th. A couple of things that I want to bring to your attention as well. First thing I'd like to bring to your attention is that we have found another provider for childcare. TLC will be providing childcare here in our school, both before and after care, for you to be able to get to know them a little bit. They have a time set up to meet you that they will be available here at Gilmore Fine Arts. They will be available on Tuesday, October 2nd. They will be available from 4 to 5:30. So we have found an before and after school care provider. It is the TLC School Age Program. They will be available to meet you so that they can answer all of your questions and anything you may be wondering about just as far as the ins and outs, the logistics, and exactly how it works. So if you're interested in before and after school care, come on October 2nd. It's a Tuesday, and learn more about what TLC is all about. I just want to say again, thank you so much for your kindness. Thank you so much for your patience. I know that we are not perfect in a lot of ways, and I know that there are some things that we're still working to try to figure out. But we really do appreciate you working with us. As always, I am more than willing to take any questions that you may have or any concerns, and I appreciate you reaching out to me. You can always get a hold of me via email at zachary.jacobsmeyer@rusd.org, or you can give me a phone call at 262-664-6801. Hope that you have a great rest of your Friday, and hope you have a great weekend. We'll see you on Monday.